Hi, this is Don Sherman. I'm going to do some lamb chops by using iCook wok. First, I got some lamb chops right here. I'm going to season them with salt and pepper and mint leaves as well. Crushed pepper and some salt and of course some mint leaves. The other side as well. Beautiful. Seasoning is done, and what unique feature is iCook wok has got the non-stick surface. You don't need any oil to cook with iCook wok. Beauty. Then you simply add the lamb chops into the bottom. Okay, then you reduce the heat into a moderate level and let it cook evenly. And what's more, I have some vegetables ready to roast with the lamb chops as well. I got the carrot, potatoes, onion, broccoli and zucchini with lemon wedges as well. And some garlic cloves, why not? We're going to roast this vegetable with the lamb chops and make a superb dish. As you can see, you can nicely turn the chops, no sticking. Wow. And then you simply add the vegetables on top of it. That's it. Alright, vegetable and lamb chops cooks together, roasting and grilling. We leave it for about 4 to 5 minutes in the moderate heat, then we'll see how it goes. Alright, it's been 4 minutes now. Let's see. Smells great. Wow! Let's stir it up a little. And now reduce the heat. Now you get the steam rack and arrange on the lid and get these pieces away. And what we are going to do is make the sauce. Wow, look at the color and the texture. I'm definitely sure the vegetables are so crispy and crunchy. And now we're going to do the sauce. Perfect. And leaving a bit of lemon and then the garlic cloves and onion, I'll simply add chopped mint leaves. Now I'm going to add my secret ingredient to the sauce. That's all plant protein powder, which gives you a super flavor and nutritional value as well. That's right. 2 teaspoons of all plant protein powder, balsamic vinegar, and then vegetable stock. I think a cup of vegetable stock goes a long way. Cook it for a while, then you get a thick sauce. Add a little bit of salt and crushed pepper. That's your sauce. So it's easy. You can do the grilling, roasting and make the sauce at once with iCook wok. And in the meantime, you can leave the vegetables keep warm right inside the wok like this. Reduce the heat and simmer the sauce for a couple of minutes. Everything will be ready. Smells great. Let's open it and see. Wow! Your vegetables, lamb chops are done nicely. As you can see, the color retains with every vegetable and also the texture is so crispy and crunchy. That's your family dinner. So anybody can make something like this with iCook wok. It's easy to make and good to eat. Let's go with the sauce on top of the chops and vegetable. Your meal is ready. It's so delicious, so easy and so quick as well. No oil, so healthy. iCook wok is the best.